Let me explain how to use National UPC as a UPC pool for the APL. And what I mean by and what is the UPC pool? UPC pool is a database of UPCs to create our own APL. It is something like applicant pool for HR department. Whenever they hire somebody, they search the applicant pool they already have, right, and select the proper applicants. The same concept. We have a pool of UPCs, and then we select out the week approved items, week approved UPCs from the pool. So the pool is just a base, the database of UPCs. I mean, UPC pool is just the base database of UPCs. How can we collect the UPCs? It collected from all the possible resources like national UPCs and from other states and corporates, from distributors and IFPS for PLU and etc. and etc. And that UPC pool is located in the main server, which is our APL management site, and it also located in all the collecting tablets as well. So I'm gonna cover the tablets the later video. And this is the table for our current UPC pool. The total number of UPCs we have right now is about that much, 57,000. Out of that number is about quarter, or 27% or something like that, is coming from national UPCs. The time we created the UPC pool was in the middle of last year. So at that time, the national UPC has that much the UPCs, but right now has much more than that, right? Yeah. So yeah, and a lot of UPCs coming from national UPCs, and as you can see, there are other states like Virginia, Florida, Oregon, Vermont, Wisconsin. Some states are very kind enough to share their APL to us, and some states simply release their APL on their website. So I just download them APL information and convert it to data format. And the UPC pool contains product information like the basic information: description, brand, size, unit level measure, and category and subcategory, ingredients and nutrition information, and even image, if those are available. Especially nutrition information and ingredient information was added through a third-party API services that which is digiti.com. It's a paid service. It is like 0.001 cents per search per one UPC search, something like that. So we paid like $100 a year ago, but we still have a balance, like less than $20. So it is not that the burden. It is not, yeah, it's not a huge burden. And there are also a lot of free services like Amazon.com, Factual.com, Classfood.com. So yeah, we can get those nutrition information, some image information from those API services. And this is the screenshot of our APL management site. So you can see all the product image and ingredients and nutrition information, if those are available, of course. And why the national UPC data valuable is because the volume of UPCs, there are lots of UPCs available at the national UPC. So right now, I was told it's about 48,000. Yeah, at the time when I create our pool is about 20,000, but it grows up a lot. And the second of all, the category and subcategory information is there. The most of the UPC is collected from other source that does not have the category and subcategory information. So we have to key it in and set that information. But UPC from national UPC does already have the category and subcategory information, and especially category 21, 31, 41. That is the number 205, 204, and 1013. That is a number of items under that category, a number of a subcategory under that the category. So, and the items under that category is almost impossible to get a right UPC. Yeah, but yeah, national UPC has all the category and subcategory information, so it was really helpful. And in some cases, and national UPC is the only place we can get a product image. Right. And once the UPC pool is ready, the next step is at the collection time. In Maryland, we are using a tablet and scanner, and at Homebrewed, we developed our own collecting software, which is UPC Collector. And the most UPCs in the pool are not available in our states because those UPCs are collected nationwide, right? So the state available products are added to the APL during the on-site collections at the stores. The UPC pool reduced the collecting time dramatically by reducing data entry. So whenever you scan the collect UPCs at the store level, you have to type in every information. But because we already have the product information of the UPCs, so the collector does not need to type every information. When the collector scan a product, if the product information is in the pool, the software simply pull out that information and show that to the collector. The collector simply verify the information, and if everything's okay, then he's safe. So without the UPC pool, if there is no information of a specific UPC in the pool, or if we don't use any UPC pool, then this is the screenshot the collector can get. So collector has to key every information on the tablet: the category, subcategory, brand, description, size, unit of measure, everything. If the scanned item is in our UPC pool, then the program pulls out all the information from the pool and display it there. So the collector simply verify that information, category, subcategory, brand name. If there's something wrong, then they can edit it right away, right? Like something like unit of measure and size, and then hit save. So average number of collections per day per person is around, by using our tablet, is like 350 to 400. Out of that number, like 15 to 20% is completely brand new. Completely, meaning the product did not exist in our APC pool. It may happen, right? So the UPC pool helps to reduce collection time to by like 75% theoretically, right? Okay, then how to cook. This is how to download UPC information from the national UPCs. So first, search by the category with highlighting all the subcategories. Select the category first, and then highlight all the subcategory of the specific category, and download CSV all result. In this specific case, it is category number 2, and search result is about 2246, right? And then download. Yeah, before that is the look of the downloaded file, but some information is mingled together, like category number and category description, and the product name. It contains size information and unit of measure information in one cell, one field, so need to be divided by using simple Excel function like left, right, mid. So yeah, that is the result. That is the data format right before uploading to our database. And other than those functions, those are the useful the extra functions that I'm using too frequently is a length. You can get a length, the character length of the field, and trim. Sometimes when you convert a CSV to Excel file, I mean when you open up that CSV in an Excel program, some numbers automatically convert to a scientific number, like the E plus 10. So the trim function converts it back to original number. And mod, and one on the bottom is the Excel function, how to get a check digit. Yeah, the most of that the UPCs, the from other sources like the company and corporate, they don't use the check digit for whatever reason. So in that case, we have to add the check digit back to the UPCs. Yep. And once the collection is done, then the UPC pool located at the main server, which is our APL management site, that UPC pool is updated with the collection files, and The UPCs are maintained on, yeah, and all the UPCs in Maryland, yeah, they're maintained in APL management site. And all the tablets, UPC pool is also located in each tablet, so all the tablets needs to be updated with the main server UPC pool. So if already collected item is scanned again, then the collector can get this kind of the screen. So that specific item is already scanned, so you don't need to collect it, something like that. Yeah, that's it.